See, my mama got stage 4 cancer. And it's like, this stage 4 for me with this motherfucking music shit. Cause it seemed like I be wanna give up. I be watching her too like she wanna give up. Then I be riding, motherfuckers be pulling up, playing my music and shit. Some I know, some of them I don't know. You know what I'm saying? People be like, damn man, I be listening to your shit. And I be like, I might as well just keep on pushing, fucking with this shit, you know what I'm saying? If I gotta keep feeding them, then I'ma keep feeding them. Bad mouth me, stay out his way, cause he a drug dealer. Go to school, listen to your mama, is what I tell the children. Like man, turn your lights off, I turn them back on. 38 snub nose, ready to bust a nigga down. Ain't trying to lay in my grave, nigga, I'm trying to go home. But don't think for a second I'm not on the shit that you on. Plug going to try, I'm praying to God that he come home. Street song fight, don't care who you are, they'll burn you. Feds doing homework, they gon' study you and learn you. Ride around, hear my song blasting out their stereo. Trying to figure out why I'm still selling Oreo. Sneeze around me, I'ma bless you, yeah. I'ma wipe your nose, cut a nigga throat, drag his ass across the floor. Out the door, close the trunk, hit the road. Nighttime for that highway, can smell the crack smoke. You ain't from round here, don't want you here, trying to buy dope. First, I'ma warn you, second time, gon' turn you into a ghost. Fuck what you heard and what they say about me. Fuck what you heard and what they say about me. People they be talking but don't really know me. Fuck what you heard and what they say about me. Fuck what you heard and what they say about me. Even if you know me, you don't really know me. Fuck what you heard and what they say about me. Fuck what you heard and what they say about me. Real life. I was selling dope when Petro was in them trash cans. My uncle is a junkie. If I don't serve, someone gon' serve his ass. The police told my lawyer I was a problem in the neighborhood. I don't think they know that I am the fucking neighborhood. Gas in their cars and food on their table. Before they turn on me, I flip over the whole table. Shout out to my neighborhood for warning me by roadblocks. I'ma take care of y'all until my fucking heart stops. I'm so proud of myself. No more selling dope in front of Lucky Jojo. I still fuck with Jojo. Still will let that thing go. Don't wrestle on tango. Dope game, I be choking, watch me strangle. Started from the bottom, now I came up. Might switch lanes, but I won't change up. I just want the money, I don't care about being famous. Since y'all niggas wanna be hoes, bring some more rumors. Get them tools out and give your body a whole tune up. Fuck what you heard and what they say about me. Fuck what you heard and what they say about me. People they be talking but don't really know me. Fuck what you heard and what they say about me. Fuck what you heard and what they say about me. Even if you know me, you don't really know me. Fuck what you heard and what they say about me. Fuck what you heard and what they say about me.